The Yamaha YZF-R1 is a 1000cc superbike from the Yamaha company and the eldest brother of the YZF series. Recently, news about the new generation Yamaha YZF-R1 equipped with a turbo engine is spreading widely. Besides, the new generation R1 has a new appearance. Many motorcycle magazines believe that the Yamaha R1 Turbo will be launched in 2024 and will replace the current Yamaha R1. And there are also many rumors about Honda launching a 1000cc superbike, but it is worth noting that this 1000cc bike is equipped with a V4 engine. Leaked information from inside the company was published by motorcycle magazines that by the end of 2023, CBR 1003R will be discontinued, and it is likely that this new 1000cc V4 superbike will be released to replace CBR 1003R. Currently, the official name of this 1000cc superbike has not been revealed, but many people think that it will be called CBR 1004R V4 and will be released in 2024. Kawasaki is also rumored to launch a new generation Ninja ZX-10R equipped with a supercharged engine. Many followers of Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R believe that in 2024, Kawasaki will release the Ninja ZX-10R H2 and will replace the current ZX-10R. Besides, the media thinks that in 2024 Kawasaki will launch many superbikes equipped with the supercharged engines. Rumors about the Suzuki GSX-R1000 will be discontinued and disappear from Europe are becoming true. Recently, Suzuki is launching new generation bikes that other generation bikes, and the GSX-R1000 has not changed to launch the new generation for many years. Many people think that the GSX-R1000 will really be discontinued in 2023, and the Suzuki company will launch a 1000cc superbike called GSX-R10R equipped with a completely new engine and suitable for gas conditions. Euro 5 plus emissions are imminent. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you and see you.